Welcome to Appspotr Academy. Today, we'll explore the encode/decode logic block. This tool provides secure encoding and decoding of data, allowing you to protect sensitive information by converting it into an encrypted format and then back to its original form when needed. Consider a real-life scenario where you're developing a messaging app that needs to store and transmit messages securely. By using the encode/decode logic block, you can ensure that the messages are encrypted before storage or transmission and decrypted only when needed. Let's go through the steps to add and configure the encode/decode logic block in your workflow. Drag the encode/decode logic block into your workflow to integrate it into your application's logic. Next, connect the encode/decode block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the data conversion process. Click on the encode/decode block to open its configuration settings. Here are the key configuration steps. Choose whether you want to encode or decode the data. Encoding will transform the data into an encrypted format, while decoding will revert it back to its original readable form. Specify the input type for the data conversion. You can select a text input or a specific JSON value depending on the data you want to encode or decode. Define the output type, which will typically be in text format. This output can be used in subsequent actions within your workflow. Finally, set up toast messages for on-success and on-error scenarios. These messages provide feedback to the user based on the success or failure of the data conversion.